Hello friends, today we make radish leaves recipe. For this we require radish leaves, half coconut, we make coconut into powder, 2.5 onions, 1 big size potato, 3 or 4 red chillies, chana dal, we cut potato into pieces, small pieces. Onions are also cut into pieces. Now all ingredients are ready. Now we take a cooker, pour some oil into it. Cooker is heated. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Now oil is started boiling. Now I am going to add chopped onions into it. Let them fry for 5 minutes till it turns brown color. Now our onions are turned into brown color. Now I added potato and red chilies. Fry it for a while. I am adding some salt. Then I am adding washed chana dal. Let them fry for a minute. If you like to add turmeric, it's optional. I added turmeric powder. Now I am adding grated coconut. Now I am cutting the radish leaves into small pieces. Then I added the radish leaves into the cooker and whistle it for 2 to 3 whistles. Our radish leaves recipe is ready. It suits with chapati. You also try this recipe in your homes. Thank you.